guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new here, which there are a lot of you, my name is Kat. I'm a mom of three, wife, and hairstylist from Ontario, Canada. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is just the motivation you will need to kick those Monday blues and start tackling some of that to-do list. This specific video was filmed on a Sunday evening because I too have to get my butt in gear for the week ahead. We had such a busy weekend, and if you follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description below, you would have seen that I got so much stuff accomplished, including the pool. Now we just have to wait for that bad boy to heat up. Let me know in the comments below what you got up to this weekend. Did you have nice weather? We have been soaking up the sun here in Ontario. It is a nice change from our typical freezing. So getting back to our cleaning, today I am tackling our major traffic areas: the front hall, living room, toy room, and kitchen. If you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get cleaning.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight, but trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. You're the one who can make me happy. How you know you're in love when you come for us.
guys, that's all for today's video. It's time to get the kids to bed and relax. I hope you guys have a good day, afternoon, or evening, wherever you may be, and I'll see you guys next time.